Actually, what we have just done with dates works in a quite similar way with hours, minutes and seconds, but just nearly. So I have entered already the combinations which are typically used, namely H, double H, M, double M, S, double S. So let's have a look what happens if I'll enter these ones into our layout. On a first glance, this looks quite fine. So you have 1 hour, 2 hours with 2 digits, but hang on, let's have a look for the minutes. Actually, we do have minutes 02, 2 minutes, and just 1 is shown. So what is wrong here? The problem is that M both stands for minute and for month. And if I'll make a long date, so I'll make once again this in here, and I'll make a long format, then you can see number from formats. Yeah, so I'll do customs again. I make day, year, comma, SS. Then you can see we have actually the zeros of January in 1900. This date doesn't exist, but actually it's the day before the 1st in January 1900, and as we do not have 1 point something, we have 0 point something, actually does its calculation and comes up with this date, which of course does not exist. And you can see the 1 in here corresponds perfectly to the month 01. And the 2 is still available, but only if you use M in combination with, for example, S. So if you take, for example, a special format of SS in here, then the minutes are recognized correctly, because in combination with S, obviously it should be minutes and not month. I think the implementation of Excel here is not really good. So you can see what happens. However, it is not really possible to exclude the minutes, whereas all other time units could be excluded, so you can just have 1 day, 1 second, 1 month, but it's not possible to have 1 minute. So I think it's a little inconsistent in here.